Good day everyone, this is Native Man. I am going to teach you how to solve this angle PQR in this given. So we have this PQR, this angle, what is the measurement? And the only given here is this angle P is 50 degrees. So focus on this figure. We have this figure, this is square, and we have four triangles around this square. And based from the markings, the two sides of this triangle are congruent. So this side and this side are congruent based from these markings. So from this given, we can calculate this angle PQR. How? First, we are going to focus first on this triangle. And we call this one triangle as isosceles triangle because two sides are congruent. Okay, we are going to focus on this isosceles triangle. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to separate. Okay, so the isosceles triangle or the concept of isosceles triangle, the base angles are congruent. And what are the base angles of this isosceles triangle? Since these two sides are the congruent sides, then these angles are called the base angles. I'm going to put mark. Okay, so the base angles are congruent, meaning to say the two angles equal in measurement. Okay, so next is that we're going to recall the sum of the angles of a triangle. And the sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, from this number, we are going to subtract this one angle of this isosceles triangle here, 50 degrees. So we are going to subtract from 180. So 180 minus 50 degrees is equal to 130 degrees. Okay? And this 130 degrees is the sum of the two angles here or base angles of this triangle. Since the two angles are congruent, then all you have to do is we are going to divide 130 by 2. So 130 divided by 2 is equal to 65 degrees. So therefore, its base angles measure 65 degrees. You're going to put 65 degrees, 65 degrees. If you're going to add 50 plus 65 plus 65 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So we calculated also already this one 65 65 we put it here. Okay? Since this is square, then this triangle is congruent also to this triangle. If this is 65 degrees, then this is 65 degrees also in measurement. Okay? Then next, this symbol, since this is square, the measurement of this angle Q here inside this square, the marking here is box. That means that is 90 degrees. That is right angle. Okay? So we have 65, 90, 65. Now, we can calculate this angle PQR. Okay, this angle. Okay, so we have now these three angles. We can calculate this angle PQR. So I'm going to present the concept, how to calculate that angle PQR. For example, we have intersecting lines and the two lines intersect and form perpendicular lines. Then each angle measures 90 degrees. Or in short, the whole round, okay, the sum of the angle should be 360 degrees. So if you're going to add 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, the sum is 360 degrees. Okay? So go back here. The sum of all the angles around here, this point, should be 360 degrees of its sum. So we have now 65, 65, and 90. We are going to add that one. So 65 plus 65 plus 90, if you're going to add, the sum is 220. Now, this 220 degrees, we are going to subtract from 360 because, again, the whole round should be 360. So, 360 then minus 220 is equal to 140 degrees. So, therefore, that angle PQR measures 140 degrees. So, if you're going to add all 140 plus 65 plus 90 plus 65, the sum is 360 degrees. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please click like and please subscribe if you're not done yet.